Hey creators, what if I told you that you could start earning money just by doing what you already love, creating content and editing videos? Well, let me introduce you to the Filmora Creator Monetization Program, a brand new way to turn your creativity into real income. This is Filmora official affiliate program, specially designed for content creators, educators, and influencers. It allows you to promote Filmora to your audience, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn money. So how does it work? First, head over to the link in the description below. You'll find all the details about the program there. Once you're ready, click the Apply Now button. You'll be redirected to Impact.com Filmora affiliate platform. Create your free account, then search for Filmora in the marketplace and apply to become an affiliate. Once your application is approved, you'll receive a unique affiliate link that you can share on your YouTube videos, blog, social media, or anywhere you connect with your audience. For example, this is my affiliate link. Every time someone makes a purchase through it, I earn a commission. Simple, right? Now let's talk numbers. You can earn up to 50% commission on desktop purchases and a flat 30% commission for mobile purchases. For example, if someone buys a $69 desktop plan, you earn around $35. If they buy a $29 mobile license, you earn about $9 per sale. Multiply that by 10, 50, or even 100 sales, and you can see how quickly the earnings add up. So why should you join? High commissions, up to 50%, completely free to join, no hidden fees. You don't need to be a big influencer, just be you. Promote a tool you already know, trust, and use. Get access to exclusive banners, creatives, and early releases, and best of all, dedicated support from the Filmora affiliate team. Whether you're a YouTuber, educator, Instagram creator, blogger, or tech reviewer, this program is perfect for you. You don't need thousands of followers, just an authentic voice and a community that trusts your content. So, if you're passionate about content creation, this is your chance to turn that passion into income. Don't wait. Join the Filmora Creator Monetization Program today and start earning while doing what you love. And by the way, if you want to purchase Filmora, you can use my affiliate link down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.